Hello guys. Marco is coming. Alright guys, welcome to another awesome video. Today, I'm going to play a sound, but it's not an ordinary sound. This sound is a magical sound illusion, in which some people will hear the word 2022, and others will hear the word 2023. So, let's see what word do you hear. But before we begin, can you like, subscribe, and comment sound in the next 3 seconds. Thank you. Sound playing in 3, 2, 1.
2022, 2022, 2022.
Well guys, what sound did you hear? 2021 or 2022? Tell me in the comments.